Hello guys. Let's see if this is starting. And we have sound. 1, 2. No sound? What the heck? Or I can't hear myself on the video. Though I should hear myself. Let me know if you have sound, guys. Maybe I'll check from phone. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good morning, good evening, good something. Okay, so we have sound. I think I had an issue with my browser. I don't know. But certainly you can hear me. And nobody said we can hear you. Because I see we are 5 persons watching. Let's see what we can find here. W, SFU the load, some bullish div. I don't like the location for a long. I have this week down, huge liquidity grab. So most of the time when you have such thing, and you can see we didn't broke the structure here. Most of the times when you have such thing, the market is just bleeding into long reload zone until finds a bullish pattern, maybe LJ, and then you can speak about a long. Perfect. So in my opinion, this is just bleeding. I wouldn't take this W, definitely no. What I would take, I have this short in my mind. Is the same stuff here. Actually, we hit 62, but keep in mind that all the time that we are touching fib, we have a bounce. Yeah. So Ethereum is way weaker. Let's see from what we have bounced. Yeah, it's the low of the range. But yeah, in my opinion, this week will be consolidated. Look at the same pattern here, guys. Same pattern. Let's highlight it. Same pattern. Replay. Boom. So market fell violently. You can see, yeah. 30 minutes. Yeah, you can see this big up candle. And if we continue, you can see that we just bled down, 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 yeah, until we formed a pattern that maybe looks like a W, yeah. Around here you can see a clean LJ line, or here you can see a clean LJ line, and yeah, let's see, more liquidity from this low, and now you can see a nice bounce over this range and then reclaim above it. So yeah, I'm expecting the same stuff here. You can see with this week, I don't trust in it due to the fact that we bounced so violently. So what I expect is just slowly bleeding down to this area. So having that in mind, this was retested, fair value gap closed. Price basically should not come over this fair value gap. If we are still bearish, we should take this wave here. But I would not take this high. I don't know. Mm, ugly. Let's put the automatic one, but no. Okay, so I'm taking this short on Bitcoin, which is way cleaner. Um, oh, there you go. We have a fair value gap. So there you go. 1 hour. Price can go until there. On 1 hour, it's not filled, which is nice. And that should be the short reload zone, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Sweet spot. Um, I'll get the high on the 89 level for the stop loss, and I'll take profits in the long reload zone. So this kind of weeks, they require consolidation, bleeding back in a range. So 5R, yeah, I'm up. I'm okay with this one. You can see that it's getting back, retesting the DR. Let's not be trolls and put the entry at the entry of the fair value gap. Yeah, something like this. I'll take this one. 0.5. Why not? Let me put my order. I don't want to be left out. For me, definitely this is just a bearish retest because this week requires consolidation, at least tagging long reload zone. Yeah, we have this 1 hour fair value gap for entry. There you go. This is for profit, stop loss 0.5. That's a nice risk to reward ratio, 4.2. That's more than good. Okay, this was the swing failure area. You can see clear that price didn't manage to take this high here. Yeah, it didn't manage to close the candle body high. Also this one. So that's why I'm bidding this short trade due to this um, ugly wick, which I think it will be consolidated like this, bleeding downwards into long reload zone, maybe an LJ after that. Nice juicy W, and then we switch our bias to long. DXY, it took the lows, it took the highs. They are just having fun. Euro, I want it to go down. Let's see. This can confirm an STM for Euro. We know that it has divergence and all sorts of stuff, but it can just go back down in this area here, retesting the lows. Retesting this week. This week requires a lot of retest. At least the long reload zone. So, it tapped it. We'll see. There we go. Hey Lee, hello guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button violently. You can see we rejected from this breaker area the low of the IDR. You can see here. I expect a bounce from this area now. So this is just a bullish retracement back in this range. Yeah, those were quick ones. Real nice one. And we have a candle body close. Look at this, guys. Exactly what me and Paul said in the morning. We were around here, I think. We were ETC plus two. We were around here, yeah, when we had the meeting. We said, if this bounces, if I see a 4 hour candle close below this area, damn it, I'm bearish. Yeah. And there you go. You have the 4 hour candle body close. Exactly as we predicted, as we spoke about. We'll try these two shorts. I'm trying these two shorts. In my opinion, it doesn't have enough liquidity in order to go up, and before going up, it requires some sorts of consolidation into this long reload zone. And I need to see some divergences, bullish divergence, some W's, stuff like that. Until then, we are waiting. Nothing to do. This USD card is just ranging. I hate it. I'm long on it. I don't want to lose a nice long opportunity. But man, stop ranging. This is like the intermediate. This is the equilibrium. And here we have the premium. So it's just ranging. I really want to see a nice juicy W that has been put on this range. I'm trying to get in the longs here. Good point, Mike. You know what I'm doing? I'm entering every time here because you see how many retests. Put a stop loss at break even and hope for that breaker block bounce and that the price is not getting back here. This is what I'm doing now. Because I want this juicy upward movement. Look here, equal highs here, equal highs here. This area, flat area. You look at this whole liquidity. Yeah, I don't know. I can have a huge risk to reward ratio. I can set myself good for for a long period if I fucking get a nice juicy W long here. If we get a nice W here and the long from this bottom, but I think we will get wrecked like footsie. Guys from premium, you know how we we shorted footsie so many times. Exactly, Mike. Lots of take profit areas. We shorted footsie here, then we stop lost again, then we shorted again, then we shorted again until we didn't short it because I was so mad on footsie. This I journal this kind of stuff because we would have had a huge risk to reward ratio already here, at least 5 or something like that. Would have been a juicy one, but was nasty as hell. Yeah, was an ugly one. Come on, dude, don't M. Let's put an alarm here. Don't M out. Don't M out from equilibrium. Show me some strength. Nothing to do. The London had already played out. In my opinion, this was the high of the day. Yeah, this area was the high of the day, 24, 25th. And let's put some spaceman levels. Daily open. You can see daily open. It can make an AB equals CD, at least an AB equals CD, which would take us exactly into the weekly open. How you like that? Huh? How you like that? I like it. And having Monday low here, and I bet on lower time frame we have some sort of equal lows here. So this is definitely a target. You see how Monday high sits there resting without any issue. Bearish structure already confirmed. 4 hours, it's already bearish. So I guess that weekly low will be the next target at least. If we fall underneath this breaker area, which we already did, now this will be big resistance. We already closed the candle body low. You can see this is exactly what you want. You have for the first reaction in 30 minutes, you see rejection, rejection. Okay, now it can retest the confluence of this breaker here. So you can short again, we can short again here. Let's see the fair value gaps. 4 hours, it ends around here. Daily, I have something daily. Ooh, okay. I do think that we can go for this daily 39.30 daily fair value gap. Yeah, looking for another short. Samely. So that is the 4 hour fair value gap. This is the 1 hour fair value gap. Breaker area 30 minutes. I don't want to see this because I don't want to see this high taken. If this high is taken, then it's a crap price action. We have a volume imbalance here, a VIB. But we'll see if price wants to get here. Let's put a OT. Waiting. I would prefer to see rejection from this area, but we can go even higher after the sweet spot and VIB. We'll see. No, don't do this. Take my order and then do that kind of stuff. But don't take my stop loss, please. Don't am out. So we have a breaker here. It should not come below this. On what, Toto? Fair value gap. I don't want to see you crossing lower than the fair value gap. Hey, yeah, Prey and SPX. So sweet spot is the ODR low. Let's get the ODR. Speak about, oh yeah, oh my god. And the VIB, you can see here, it's exactly the low. You're speaking about this one, Otto? This is a juicy area to short, exactly in this gap. Or you're speaking about the other one. Yeah, this one. I love this area for a short. Let's put it. I put entry below the. I put the entry a little bit below to the. Due to the damn. Yeah, exactly. I have the value area low of the whole range. 89. Let's put an 89 stop loss. Let's not be the greedy goblins. And my target definitely would be the weekly open. I don't know. 6. I don't want to go with a 6. I'm too greedy goblin. We have plenty resistance here. Plenty support, sorry. Oh shit. I know where you're going, Otto. Ooh, here we have a big VIP. This will be taken out. Another one. 38.40. Are you speaking about US 500 or are you using other chart? Hold on. Are you using US 500? 39.40. Ah, yeah. Yeah. I was wondering. 39.40. Yeah, right here. Exactly. So let's put the high because I mean uh, I don't want to be a greedy goblin and stop loss by a damn week. Let's put even let's see the spread on my MT4. 0.6. It's not a little spread. So we have 40 point, okay, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's an ugly spread. And if I want my entry here, 999, then I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My entry should be, let's put 7. Maybe here. I hate spread. I hate spread. And the take profit definitely Monday low, weekly open. So we have a 4 to reward ratio. This is beautiful. This is definitely beautiful. And okay, swap the low. This one is, I should can I mean this one it's ugly. This is ugly as hell. Okay, this works for me. I mean, if it takes this high, it would probably go for this fair value gap. So you can't put the stop loss there. That's a different setup. That's a different story. That's a different range where market would go, you know. But this one is looking nice. I should take the price label from this one. Then I have my stop loss, price label, buy. Yeah, I mean that would be it. Now I think I deserve a coffee. DXY don't go up yet. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. I have a short on euro. I managed to take a short. Let's see where it wants to go. Was a pretty chaotic morning. I didn't have too much time to do anything, let's say. On euro, the stop loss should be moved. Here it would be aggressive stop loss move. Here would be safe stop loss move. If you manage to short the top. Safe stop loss, aggressive stop loss. Any questions, guys? I recommend to look at USD CAD. USD CAD. It had. I'm sorry. It had the news already, Otto. I know. Ah, it has the news today. It has the news in. Later, yeah. I'll move my stop loss at break even because I don't want to get fucked. Let me see when the news. I'm long on this one. I love the chart. I don't know. I think you told me about it when I watched the chart. I saw this swap liquidity, this reaction, this MSB here. This is just an accumulation period, and what I'm thinking, it might sweep more points. It swept this liquidity here. It created another low again. We are facing some resistance here. Yeah, I saw that SMT divergence too. So this one, it's ready to explode, and it has plenty of place to go up. You can see here or even higher. Yeah, you have plenty of areas to take profit on this one, but maybe it needs more accumulation. The news expected for USD CAD are bullish. You say? I have a short on GBP. I showed you guys that head and shoulder. Uh, where are you? Canada? Canada. Hmm. Okay. 1 second. Sorry. Tightening of the rates. Nice. Oh, the news are at 5, but look at this. They are red news. I mean, definitely, guys. I know some of you are long with me because we hunted a lot along on this area. It has a fair value gap, I think. Yeah, I think it wants to tap this and go higher then. This has to hold in order for us to continue. What I'm thinking about is that just close that break even. You close the trade, Mike? Yeah, up to you. What I'm thinking is that if S&P comes here, then crypto might go higher, even an SFU. Yeah, USD CAD. I know, I like USD CAD. The chart I like, not anything else. It's getting back into DR range. Maybe another opportunity to long, Mike. Euro. This pattern needs bullish on low time frame because we'll see a liquidity sweep here and then maybe go back down. Yeah, Lee, retirement setup maybe. We have some equal lows. Either from this area we'll see a bounce, or if it wants more liquidity, it can even grab those lows here. But it's not too much liquidity here. I mean, Bitcoin respected IDRs lately in the DR ranges. Most of the times, SFU of the high. At least on the first part of the session, it did that. SFU of the low. I mean, this is expected when price wants a pump. Here it was respected nicely. Again, respected nicely. Yeah, we'll see. Let me get a coffee, guys. Be right back. It's only the second coffee, so don't panic. 1 2 1. I'm back. I mean, we have the setups already in place. Not too many things to do. You can see that US 500 doesn't like this breaker at all. Even 30-minute candle close, like really selling a lot of selling pressure here. I see some euro support and some DRs. This one would be the first area. But I think this low will be swept because if we take it liquidity wise, you see this point created liquidity, created a high, liquidity was swept from this low, then liquidity was swept from this high, rejection. Now this one is the next liquidity point, yeah, for a potential reversal. That's how market structure works. Yeah, Otto, that's what I said in the morning. Which I don't like. I expect a sweep of all these lows and then exactly sweep right at the news or after. Exactly, that's what I expect you. It's the same case with DXY. On the daily, you have a daily fair value gap. You have a lot of stuff here. I expect a sweep of this 100.1 level. Reclaim. You can see the deviation then. Nice W daily and skyrocket. Yeah, Mike, that's a very good idea. That's a very good idea, Mike. Let's see what we can work with. So there's more. So you can take in account this liquidity here, or even this one, but this one would be too far away in my opinion. Yeah, so I would play this liquidity here, local liquidity. I would not go for this one because it wasn't such an important one. The main liquidity was here, yeah, which gave us this movement. So here is where the liquidity lies. If I would do something like this, maybe I would frame it classically. 192, maybe something like this, below this week, and then fly baby. This can be insane. I mean, you don't need too many. You don't need to be right too many times with such a swing trade. Yeah, you just need to be right once. Yeah, so US Euro USD, this is the next point for liquidity, and this is where I expect a long. Auto, I mean, I know you have the same setup. Um, this is where I'll hunt. This is the bulk of the whole range. Maybe stop loss below this fair value gap or even lower, something like that. Maybe even SFU of this low. anything would work, but where I want to see euro, it's SFing this high at 89.6. So I really think, I mean, it's too close to that liquidity pool not to take it. So I really think that another leg up will be in for, it's here actually. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, this one. It's really close. Um, Three equal lows on what, Otto? These are nasty looking. Here, nasty looking. This whole liquidity will be taken. I mean, if we manage to get a swing short on this badass, oh my god. If we manage to get a swing short on this badass, we will print. Let me show you GBP USD. GBP. GBP. I took a short on this one with 1%. Because I saw so much rejection here from this breaker area. I mean, I liked it too much. SFU of this liquidity round, took liquidity, head and shoulder, divergence, everything that you need. And I don't need to go up until there. If it goes until the breaker, I'm okay with that. Equal lows here. I'm okay with 3.25 out of 1%. I mean, if FTSE fucked me up, then what are you doing? No way. You want to die of from the low fair value gap? Price doesn't have power, not even to pass the first fair value gap. Be right back. I think my coffee it's already boiling the water. Don't forget to leave a like, guys, or a dislike, depends on you. Back. I'm back here, boys. Damn, how much I love Turkish coffee. I don't know. Before this Turkish coffee, I was having normal coffee, but this one it's incredible. I absolutely love its taste. What are you doing, Bitcoin? I'm not mad if you put a small wick and fill me before you die. Please, and then you can die. Yeah, let's go on low time frame. Definitely auto. I mean, we can catch some really nice Really, really nice swing short trades. We just need um, to find that proper moment. I don't know. I missed it with GBP. I missed it with FTSE. Phew, I really hate it. Now, if I see that this low was broken and I see candle body close and rejection on the breaker, my stop loss is safe, so I have nothing to lose. Yali, definitely. Turkish coffee sounds really good. It's incredibly, incredibly tasty, and it's healthy too. Because I mean, from what I read, it's way healthier than normal one. Don't think like that. Uh, like in what way? Otto? That we can catch some juicy shorts. Yeah, I know exactly. Market really seems to seems like it sits on a how do you, in Romanian we have a saying, butoi cu pulbere. Yeah, I don't know. It's moving weird, and I mean we can see that we don't need the confirmations. Yeah, powder barrel. It looks like it sits on a powder barrel. By the way, guys, my ledger just came, and Paul helped me with the secret password. I can share it with you guys to keep it safe too. No, I just typed it on 100 paper. Maybe I can remember that one, like I know my phone number. So thanks, Paul, for helping and installing that. You see that the breaker, it held really nicely here. Euro doesn't look back. I took the Nano S plus, S plus, yeah, Nano S plus. I was so afraid when I was writing the password because what Paul was mentioning me, if you lose it, you will lose everything forever. Okay, I will type it on on every piece of paper that I have. Let's see, opening range is crossed on USD CAD, nice. I think it bounced exactly from the, nah, it was the breaker. You see the breaker, the power of breakers. Damn, how much I love the breaker blocks. The OGs of the trading, at least lately, the OGs of the trading have been the breaker blocks. They are insane. They are at least the, I mean, they are the very essential, fundamental part of market structure that you absolutely need to learn. Yeah. Every wait, I sent you some documentation to learn. So don't skip it. Don't skip it. Yeah, also I saw that a lot of people have been curious about VIP this month. It's I mean we have like 7 spots left at the moment for February. You have to keep in mind about risk management, about every sorts of stuff and aspects of the trading because we can't put an order for you. And we don't have orders all the time. It's pretty difficult. I don't know, and market was not in a beautiful state lately. So yeah, who wants, just hit me up. I saw this liquidity grab last night. I was speaking with you, Mike, when we had this liquidity grab, and I didn't shorted it, and it stopped right in this Is the mitigation block or let me check. Yeah, this area. Nah, thanks, Paul. It really helped me. I think it was the mitigation block, which yeah, which rejected the price action. The price there. I will take it the whole. There you go. I don't like it. So it closed the fair value gap here. So it doesn't like equilibrium yet. It's not prepared for equilibrium. I think this one has some bullish divergence. Is this equal low? What the fuck? It was swept. Nah, it's equal low. It's 744. Nothing to do, pretty much. You know how markets love to fill these fair value gaps once the New York session starts. And I do think that we will still get a fill. My orders are still in the market. Bitcoin, same stuff. US 500, same stuff. Fair value gap. Even here you have a little VIB. Even here you have one. Even here you have one. I don't know what to say with this one. It's a bit too close to my stop loss, but even here we have one. So we'll see. Nothing to do for the moment. Absolutely nothing. Oh, we have news on GBP. Okay. Well, 26 tomorrow. Okay. Maybe by tomorrow I can get my stop loss to break even if you break this low. And then you can have all the news that you want. You can move your position in TV holding. If I hold shift, it will create this price. What do you mean? And first, when I read TV, I was like, I first thought about, okay, television. I don't have a TV. This position. Okay. What do you mean? Click on your position with stop loss and then hold shift. Ah, so I want to. I see. But if I want, yeah, okay. Yeah, what I can do, what I usually do is just lock every, and that's it. That's what I do usually. I just lock it. And I mean, what I do on VIP right now, I had some trades, but usually it's not that. I mean, it depends a lot on the market structure. But on VIP, I do the same stuff of the same analysis, but I do it daily. Okay, so you can hit a TV. So this kind of stuff I'm doing it daily. Like we have this live streamings and looking for setups. This is what I'm doing daily. Okay, you want to put a W here, but you hit anything? You hit your head, I think. Nothing. Maybe a breaker. Hmm. No, I don't think so. No, under the poke. I'm not. Yeah, that would be it. Let's see. Now we wait and drink coffee. Oh my god, I love this coffee. I absolutely love it. Yeah, Otto. So good heads up with the news. We have the news at the London, not New York. I'm on the New York session with my clock, so that's why. Okay. I like this. S&P going down and Ethereum and Bitcoin going up. Good job. Do that. Now this looks like a bull flag, a bear flag. A bull flag. Me and crypto I think. This looks like a AB equals CD kind of pattern. Please take our orders. I need a pray setup if we have it here, guys. I need some help. Anyway, you would put it, this is not a point where you can see a reversal. Even though I can see some bearish absorption here. Yeah, they are trying to absorb these candles right in this opening price. Here you have the opening price of the ODR. But it's not a point of reversal for me. No, go up, please. I guess I'm streaming and there's a lot of guys with big capital here that I know of. And they are front running my setup. Oh my god. Sorry. Guys, if you have requests, altcoins, shitcoins, I don't do delivery, but if you want me to look at something, just let me know. Yeah, Otto, I like it. That's beautiful. I mean, you can go with the whole 1% on that one. Because the structure is so beautiful. So guys, you want me to check any altcoins? It's only 25 bucks. Tell me. Just joking. Let's see. Render. Let's see on 4-hour time frames what our altcoins. My list is doing. Not. I put 12. I prefer 12. Nice bottoming formation here. Liquidity swept. Oh, these three lows kept. Even this area. Okay. Phantom. Nice W. Breaker here. Some alarms. I bought spot at the green lines. I was accumulating spot. And I will start something like this on VIP because I'm doing it already. So I have example here. Phantom I bought here. You can see it's already 93% up. I bought for $100 and I made 93 bucks just with this one alone. And I did the same stuff with Peer. I bought Peer here and I sold Peer at the red line here. 45 easy, 40, 47 a win. I did the same stuff with Solana. This one made me how you name it? It made me a little old lady. I had here a buy order in this area, exactly here, and it tagged it. Then I bought again at 13, 10, 13, and I sold here. You can make a lot of money with it's exactly the same. Uh, Not exactly, but it's based on little old lady. But what I'm doing is just buying on the lower areas. I bought a lot. I mean, I bought everything that I saw. Atom, Near, Avax, you name it. Even eGold I bought around here. But this one is performing like shit, I don't know. The favorite coin of Romanian dudes is performing like shit. I think Shiba Inu is better than eGold performance. I bought Near here. BNB, I don't touch it. I mean, this one is, it doesn't worth this one is like you're buying Bitcoin. So it has the same, it had the same up trust movement like Bitcoin had. DOT I bought here in this area. And look at this one. It's not a short, but I sold. So the difference between what I'm doing in the short is that in the little old lady is that I'm selling when I see resistance. Yeah, I'm selling for a profit because, and I have the short too. I have the little old lady too. But when I see that price meets resistance and I have my alarms, it's pretty easy to do that. You sell in profit. Yes, or even you put limit orders to sell. And usually I use the soft stop loss. I don't use the hard stop loss for this one. I bought Matic here. I sold around here. You see a lot of resistance here. What I bought? Mana, no, no, no. No. This one, no. Java. There you go, little long. If I would have kept you more. Seems like I had a long from here. Let's see what I saw there. I'm really curious. This is funny. Ah, a W. Nice one. Oh, this is funny. How things evolved. This is really funny. This is why Paul wants to trail all his trades, I think. Go on 30 minutes because it will take an eternity. I think this is why Paul wants to trail all his trades. This is damn funny. Yeah. I think it was a 4 hour or 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour W. So I took a full 1% on this one. The power of trailing. This is insane. Stop loss here, stop loss here. It broke the high, stop loss here. It broke the high, stop loss here. This is damn funny. Let's get back to our charts. Nada. USD CAD. Ranging. Nothing to do. This one wants to put a W, but I don't know what to say about it. What? 15%? Render? Well, it's approaching my selling area. I need to sell some render. Look at it, even this one. I bought here. Ah, this is my little old lady. Snips. These are my little old lady snips. Now I see. Yeah. So I almost have a shot. I was wondering, what are these lines? So exactly, Paul. This is short. Now I. So you see, render is doing a shot now. Ugly candle close here. Retest of this high. If it makes an M, then yeah. In my opinion, I think we will see a continuation on the market open. A continuation to the downside. Because you can see how much time DXY has spent in this lower part. And what is looking interesting, the candle bodies are getting lower and lower and lower. And that's a pressure put on candle bodies. And what often happens when you see this kind of pattern, it's a short squeeze. So I do think that will be something like this, then take the lows and then the real move. When I see candle bodies getting suppressed like this, there is a high probability for the price to squeeze higher. Okay, we had 1 hour of fun, guys. Not too many questions, but it's okay. So don't forget to leave a like, guys. Come visit us on Discord if you want. We have fun every day. We are streaming daily, me and Paul. And yeah, I had really nice time. Let's see how these trades are getting old. Now I have to go. Getting back to work. And yeah, also, if you want to join the premium, we are daily streaming there. On the normal channel, we put a lot of ideas and updates on the market, so you can join that one too. And once for VIP for February, we have only 7 spots left, and it's up to you. Just send me a DM and we'll speak about the details right there. I mean, that's the juicy part where I have most of my trades and scalps and everything that I take posted. So thank you very much, guys. See you in the New York session for the premium. Bye bye.